Wide angle or telephoto, what's the best? Great question. We get it all the time. On these newer phones, this is what I suggest. Some of the older phones don't work quite as well with the telephoto. The iPhone 11 and up, and then the Samsung, the S20s and Note 20s work extremely well. So what I recommend as a general rule of thumb, when the sun is up, use the telephoto lens. It doesn't gather as much light as the wide angle, but it does work extremely well in cutting down on the vignetting around your image, or that black ring really helps to cut it down. And when the sun is down or headed down, or it's only been up for, it's just breaking day, if you're in a low light situation, whether morning or night, use the wide angle. So for the first 15 minutes and last 15 minutes of light, I suggest the wide angle, but if not, that telephoto is the answer that works for me. So slide the disc up, post drops into the hole, centered perfectly, and we're off and ready to go.